Dixon is asking that when will the court verdict from April, uh, sorry, when will the court verdict about Franklin Templeton on 6 closed-end funds be out? I've invested in Kotak Banking and PSU. Aditya Birla Sun Life corporate bond also. Can I continue in these funds? Are these funds better investment options for 5-year time frame? Okay, the court proceeding is on. Yesterday the hearing was on, and the Delhi lawyer, one of the petitioner's lawyer, was making the case all through. The hearing was on till about 5:30, about 6 o'clock in the evening. Next year, the hearing will continue from Tuesday, and the hearing is on continuously. I don't know why it starts at 2:30 in the evening, and I'm hopeful that the coming week we should have something or the other coming our way, if it goes continuously without any disruption, so it's on. We have had all these hiccups, cases filed in different courts, and then the Supreme Court consolidating it in Bangalore, and then giving everybody 2 weeks time. So a lot of time has gone by anyway. Meanwhile, Franklin has posted us that they have been able to clear up all the debt in some funds, and they have 14, 15%, 20% money in some other funds. Visit Value Research Online, look at the home page. There is a continuous update on Franklin funds, and we will be keeping you posted. It is, every day, whatever happens in the court or whatever new information that comes about these 6 funds which are being wound up, we are keeping you posted continuously, and you can see all that has happened since the closure of this fund. So that is the place to keep track of all the developments about Franklin Templeton debt funds. And Kotak Banking and PSU fund is a good fund. Aditya Birla Sun Life corporate bond fund is also a decent fund. What has happened on Franklin funds at that point, the extreme risk aversion, the big crisis in the market, and the winding up and freezing of the market, that did scare us. And we saw that the debt markets became dysfunctional and disrupted at that point. But I think things have changed and improved quite a bit. But still, the credit outlook for companies, for relatively poor companies, good companies will become not so good, and poor companies will become very bad. So that is a reason for that is something to worry. So I think it is worthwhile to be into relatively safer. Even if you are investing in the corporate debt fund, look for relatively safer. But fund companies have also prepared with a lot of liquidity, shifting their portfolio around, moving to relatively superior quality debt. But nevertheless, we are, why you have to be really prepared for the worst, and we have seen the worst. Hopefully the worst is behind us, but you have to really worry about small bad thing happening to your fund, and it is better to err on the side of caution. So for all your investment, go to the fund page of the fund you have invested in at Value Research Online. Look for the credit rating breakup on the portfolio tab, and you will get a sense of it if there is something to worry. If there is a very high allocation to AA and below, and lower rating bonds, I think you should. It is better to take your money and not lose your sleep.